In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn comments on or off for your video. If you want to control whether viewers can leave messages on a video, this is a very quick setting to change, and it only takes a moment once you know where to look. This can be useful if you want to encourage discussion, reduce spam, or simply manage engagement differently depending on the type of content you're posting. To begin, open the video you want to update. Make sure you're selecting the exact video where you want to change the comment setting, because this option applies to that specific video. Once the video is open, look for the settings area. This is where you'll find the controls for different parts of the video, including audience interaction features. Inside settings, find the comments option. In this section, you'll see the control that lets you decide whether comments are allowed. If you want viewers to be able to leave messages, toggle allow comments on. Once it's enabled, people watching your video will be able to post their thoughts, feedback, or questions in the comments area. If you'd prefer not to receive messages on that video, toggle allow comments off instead. Turning this off prevents viewers from leaving comments, which can be helpful for announcement-style videos, sensitive topics, or any content where you don't want public discussion attached. After you've made your choice, save the change. This final step is important because if you leave without saving, the new setting may not be applied. Once saved, your video will immediately follow the option you selected, meaning viewers can either leave comments or they can't, depending on how you set it. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to double check the setting after saving, especially if you're updating several videos and want to stay consistent. Small settings like this can make a big difference in how your audience interacts with your content, and that's all there is to it. Open the video, go to settings, adjust the comments toggle, and save your changes. It's a simple way to control the conversation around your video and manage viewer engagement exactly the way you want.